Farmacy Honey Halo Hydrating Facial Moisturizer is a deeply nourishing and hydrating cream that enriches your skin with natural ingredients. Formulated with pure honey, ceramides, and shea butter, this product helps strengthen and maintain skin moisture, giving you a radiant and healthy complexion. The cream contains buckwheat honey, which acts as a natural humectant, retaining skin moisture. Additionally, ceramides help to strengthen the skin barrier, preventing dryness and irritation. Its soft and lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy or heavy feeling, making it suitable for all skin types, especially dry and dehydrated skin. How to use Farmacy Honey Halo Hydrating Facial Moisturizer. 1. Cleanse your skin. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, and makeup. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. 2. Apply toner or serum optional. If you use a toner or serum, apply it before the moisturizer to enhance absorption and effectiveness. 3. Apply the moisturizer. Take an appropriate amount of Farmacy Honey Halo Hydrating Facial Moisturizer and gently massage it onto your face and neck using circular motions until fully absorbed. 4. Daily use. Use this moisturizer morning and night as part of your daily skincare routine. Tip: you can also use this cream under makeup, as its lightweight and hydrating formula ensures that your makeup sits beautifully and keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day.
Subscribe to our channel for the best skincare tips and product recommendations. Stay informed about how to keep your skin healthy and glowing with our expert advice and reviews. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now.